Nice.
Should voters get to decide decriminalizing marijuana in Florida? Today, the Florida Supreme Court Justice has heard arguments about the case.
Advocates have been trying to get the issue on the ballot for years. Attorney General Ashley Moody is one of the Florida leaders fighting that. News Channel 8's Melissa Marino is live in Tampa with more on what happened today in court. Melissa.
Well, hey there, good evening. So as we know, this is the sample ballot. You get to not only pick your candidates, but you get to weigh in as voters on important issues. The big question here, should recreational marijuana get added to the ballot and be left up to voters to decide?
It's an issue that has sparked a debate for years. Should voters get to decide whether or not to legalize recreational marijuana? Today, Florida Supreme Court justices took up the case.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Florida Supreme Court, please be seated.
Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody challenged the amendment, asking the Supreme Court to decide. Today in court, an attorney for Moody's office arguing that the ballot language is misleading when it comes to licensing and because marijuana is still prohibited under federal law.
The sponsor has injected uncertainty and confusion about the interplay between the proposed amendment and federal law.
Smart and Safe Florida is sponsoring the initiative. An attorney for the group disputing the state's claims, arguing that voters understand the ballot language and should be able to decide.
Voters going into the voting booth, knowing they're voting on changing the organic law of this state, will take that duty responsibly and seriously and really think about what they're reading and if this is what they want.
The justices appearing to push back against the state's arguments.
Come on, it also says applies to Florida law. I mean, like, we can't not read the context of the whole statement, right?
In the past, the Florida Supreme Court has rejected previous marijuana amendments. Smart and Safe sponsors say they used past rulings to make sure this amendment complies with the law.
We did a conscientious job of trying to follow this court's precedents.
Now, if this does make it onto next year's ballot, it would need 60% support from voters in order to pass and obviously become law. Jen?
Do we have any idea when the Supreme Court will decide this issue?
So they didn't give a date, but we generally know these decisions, they can take a few months, but certainly we're going to keep our viewers updated on the very latest and as soon as this decision comes out.
All right, Melissa Marino reporting live in Tampa for us tonight. Thank you.
Happening right now.